Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 200. If we start with this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 3 here, so this is our 1. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. For this row now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 5. No help here. 1, 3, 5. Same here. 1, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 2 here makes this our 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 2, 9. That 5 makes this our 3. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. This 3 and this 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 here, 9 here, so this is our 5. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this row, we're also missing 3 and 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. And since these are all lined up, we can just choose how we want to fill them in. So if I make this a 3, that makes this our 6, 3, and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.